Welcome back to LearnCity. Still on the digital marketing series, and today we will be unveiling case studies and best practices in digital marketing. Firstly, we have the analysis of successful digital marketing campaigns. Anita's social media campaign case study. Anita's Live There campaign leveraged user-generated content and storytelling to promote authentic travel experiences. Strategy: Anita encouraged users to share their travel stories and photos on social media using the hashtag #LiveThere, creating a sense of community and authenticity. Results: the campaign generated millions of user-generated posts, increased brand awareness, and positioned Airbnb as a trusted platform for unique travel experiences. Another is Nike's Just Do It campaign case study. Nike's iconic Just Do It campaign focused on inspiring and empowering athletes to push their limits and achieve greatness. Strategy: Nike utilized powerful storytelling and emotional appeal to connect with consumers on a deeper level, emphasizing the brand's values of determination, perseverance, and excellence. Results: the campaign resonated with audiences worldwide, driving brand loyalty, increasing sales, and solidifying Nike's position as a leading athletic apparel and footwear brand. Let's move to the best practices in digital marketing audience-centric approach. Understand your target audience's needs, preferences, and pain points to create relevant and personalized marketing campaigns. Use data-driven insights to segment your audience, tailor messaging, and deliver targeted content across various digital channels. Consistent branding and messaging: maintain consistent branding and messaging across all digital touchpoints, including websites, social media, email, and advertising. Ensure that your brand's voice, tone, and visual identity align with your brand values and resonate with your target audience. Multi-channel integration. Implement a multi-channel marketing approach that leverages the strengths of different digital channels, such as social media, email, search, and content marketing. Create cohesive and integrated campaigns that deliver consistent messaging and a seamless user experience across channels. Data-driven decision-making. Utilize data analytics and measurement tools to track and analyze key performance indicators, KPIs, and campaign metrics. Use data insights to optimize campaign performance, refine targeting, and allocate resources effectively to maximize ROI. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and stay tuned for next class.